Good morning, everyone. It's Papa J. I haven't done a video in forever, and I decided I'm going to get one done today. We've got it's not an uncommon problem, but it's definitely a pain in the butt problem. So, they had the gas line was in the wrong place, and the installer decided to cut a hole for access, thinking that it was going to go out the side, and of course it's not. And so we've got to, I already took the drawer tracks out here, but we've got to take this apart. We're going to pull the space frame off, take that floor out, put a whole new back on it, and replace all this. And it should look as good as it did when it came out of the factory, or at least that's what we hope. So I'm going to take some stuff apart. We'll be back. Okay, so we've got the face frame is off, as you can see, and we're going to pull the floor out next. So the way these cabinets are put together, the floor is just a slide in, and then they put pins across the back there, and it's just a matter of slide it out of the slot, and we can make a new floor so it looks just like this one. Got all the parts made here. We got a new floor and a new back. I just got to pull the plugs out back there, and we're going to spray glue that in, and we'll be one step closer to done here. Everything is all coated with spray glue. We're just letting that flash. You put glue on both sides, the piece you're gluing and the piece you're gluing to. You let it kind of flash to where the glossiness goes away. You can see the little bubbles there. And as soon as that flash is over, it's ready to press them into place and become a new back. And we got the new back in place, and it doesn't go all the way to the top, kind of on purpose, because I don't want to try to support those drawer pins or drawer clips with that paper backing material, so we just leave it into the original. And the drawer will hide the fact that that was ever even done. And we got our new floor tapped into place. All we got to do now is put the face frame back on, and it'll be like the hole was never there. Okay, so everything's back together. We got the floor in place, new back on. Everything's glued back together. Put the drawers back in, and we are good to go. And that's it for this one. So we're gonna pack our stuff and get out of here. Pack our stuff and get out of here. We'll see you on the next one.